Hello guys, welcome back to Enough Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to use Gigabyte Control Center. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly start using the Gigabyte Control Center here. Now if you have a Gigabyte motherboard, graphics card, or other compatible hardware here, Gigabyte Control Center is your go-to tool for managing and customizing everything. Now from RGB lighting to fan speeds and a lot more. So how do you start using it? So first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you install it first. So to be speaking, you just need to search for the following. It's going to be Gigabyte Control Center. And from here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just look for the Gigabyte Control Center link here. So you see, as you can see, this is the software link for it. Let's go ahead and press on it. And what we need to do is you want to go and just click on download now here, and you should be able to choose or in this case, see the supported list here. So make sure that you have a supported product for it. But in this case, you want to go and click on the let's go and just look on the applications that actually this one supports. But to be speaking, at the very bottom, you should see the download button. Go ahead and just click on download, and you should be able to download the .exe file here. And once you've downloaded the .exe file, just run it and basically install that into your computer. Now, by the way, you may need to restart your computer once you've installed the software. But once you've installed the app, usually you have a lot of things that you could do here. Like for example, you have the RGB fusion, which in this case allows you to sync and control RGB lighting across multiple Gigabyte devices. And also you have the performance settings here, which in this case allows you to tweak system performance here, like enabling performance modes for gaming or productivity. Now you also have display settings here if you want to, in this case, change that by clicking on the arrow at the rightmost side here. You can go access the other tools. But you also have like fan control to adjust the fan speeds here. So in this case, this is a manual way for adjusting the speeds, and choose your predefined cooling modes here, either quiet, balance, or even performance. You also have like macro and keyboard tools here. So if you have a Gigabyte keyboard, you can create macros, shortcuts, and even reassign keys here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to Enough Inspo. Thank you for watching.